Hey, I'm Eric with Extreme Terrain, and in this video I'm going over a wheel and tire setup of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 37 by 12.5 inch tires on a 2 to 4 inch lifted Sport, Overland, or Rubicon Gladiator. In this video I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. Now, the combination of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 37 by 12.5 inch tires is a popular setup with owners that have a Gladiator equipped with a 2 to 4 inch lift, as you can see from these pictures provided to us by Gladiator owners. Now, customers running this setup are a mix of those driving on and off-road. This setup will give you a much more aggressive stance versus stock, with taller and wider wheels in the fender well that provide more capability when driving in off-road situations. Now, this wheel and tire combo will fit all Overland and Rubicon Gladiators that have a 2 to 4 inch lift without needing to do any modifications. Sport and Sport S owners will need to remove the splash guards to avoid rubbing the larger tires. Now, driving wise, this setup is ideal for both on and off-road driving, as you will be free from rubbing any suspension components or the stock front bumper. Now, you may encounter slight rub in the inner fender area, but only when turning to full lock, especially if you're running tires with larger tread patterns like mud terrains. Now, this setup is great for off-road driving, including rock crawling and situations requiring articulation. Again, you may experience slight rub in the inner fender area, but only with a full lock turn. Now, a few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 37 inch is that when driving on-road, the ride will feel a little more sluggish compared to your stock tires. And at 60 miles per hour, your speedometer will also read about 10 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of the change to bigger tires. Now, that's not really a big deal. I think most Gladiator owners out there just keep that in mind when they're driving, but this can easily be corrected with a tuning device or speedometer recalibration tool, both of which you can find right here on our website. We also recommend an alignment after you have installed your new wheels and tires. Now, if you do purchase a set of wheels and tires from Extreme Terrain, we make it easy for you to get these on your Gladiator. On our wheel and tire package pages, we have the setups that you can have mounted, balanced, and shipped right to you. You can also choose to have TPS sensors installed. Now, TPS stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System, and it alerts you when your tire pressure is getting low. Now, if your Gladiator stock wheels came equipped with TPS sensors from the factory, you will need to pick up a set of these with your new wheels and tires, otherwise you might get a warning light on your dashboard. Then just get a jack and a lug wrench ready for the install, and you'll have these on your truck in no time. Now, if you have any questions about this setup for your Gladiator, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists at any time. Now, again, this setup is for 17 by 9 inch wheels and 37 by 12.5 inch tires on a Sport, Overland, or Rubicon Gladiator equipped with a 2 to 4 inch lift kit, which is very popular with our customers and will give your Gladiator a more aggressive look with taller and wider tires compared to stock. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product reviews and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.